We're back with another knife review. Today it is the Kizer Vindicator. Now this knife was first shown at the Blade Show in 2018, I believe. But this is the first time I've gotten my hands on one in that period of time. I'm a big Kizer fan, even though I don't have as many of the newer ones as the older ones, but we'll start off by telling you a little bit about this knife. Of course, it comes with its knife pouch and its cleaning cloth. It is 8.375 inches overall. Blade length is 3.5 inches. It is a CPM S35 VN blade. Blade is a clip point, flat grind, stonewash finish on a plain edge. Has an extended flipper that keeps your hand from sliding up during a heavy use or pulling back if you're using the choil area, which I like to do. The handle material is titanium. The weight is 4.52 ounce. They keep it down by milling out the inside of the frame. It is a right-handed tip-up carry knife, manual flipper. The cutting edge is equal to the blade length at 3.5. Has some jimping on top here. Keep your hand from sliding when using, especially if it gets wet. Can't miss with this flipper tab, I'll tell you. It is a very large flipper tab. So this is called the Vindicator. Not sure if I mentioned that or not, but I wanted to mention that. The pocket clip on this is pretty wide. Should give you a nice secure carry. And I think I mentioned that it was a Framelock. Make sure I get it there in the lighting. Alright, let's show you how it cuts. My favorite part. We'll start with some paracord. Cuts right through. Very nice done. Bring some cardboard over. First we'll start off and show you how it does in like a precision cut. Very nice job. You can see I'm barely pushing on it. Got my board there. Some push down cuts. You notice it's going to, well, I always end up with the cardboard that has a bend in it, which I'm always leery of since I do this a lot, so you don't want to think the cardboard has gotten a little damp. Plus this knife is very thick on the back side. If you notice as it goes down, we'll show you here, that it will make a push. So it's harder to get through once you try to use it in a spear cut. Due to the fact that the blade is so wide at the back, you can see there how it makes a deep opening here, but not if you keep it near the top of the blade. This one becomes way larger. Alright, so this is the Kizer Vindicator. S35 VN blade, titanium handle. Of course it's gray, as you would expect. And it has a very prominent flipper tab. So it's easy for one hand opening. So for those of you that are watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You will not be disappointed. We do a weekly show that I don't know why anybody who likes knives would want to miss. If you're watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. We do weekly giveaways, some nice knives every week. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.